boyfriend couldn't get you some of it. There you go.
Okay, not too bad. Homeboy gets a B+ for doing the basic bare minimum. But if she's wifey material, I'm gonna teach you fellas how to get $20 flowers from the grocery store and turn it into a $50 bouquet. Let's go to the grocery store. Alright, first step, primary flowers. Make sure they're hard and closed. These are too soft and open, they're not gonna last. Next, you wanna get your secondary flower, or fillers, and then some greenery. I got eucalyptus, and all this just for 20 bucks, you guys. Alright, let's get started. Okay, class, okay. Now these roses are looking pretty good, okay. Now, some women enjoy arranging the flowers themselves, but motherfucker! See, this is why you gotta prep the flowers. Look at that. Thorns. Danger zone! You see, if you hand her this and she pokes herself with that, the moment's done, it's a wrap. You know, when I was a kid, I used to take these thorns and I would just place them on my hand like this. Bah! Or I'd put it on here and I'd be like, I'm a rhino. It looks like a freaking pimple. Anyways, back to flowers. Take this off. Careful with the thorns. You got espresso beans and seeded eucalyptus. If your girl has a cat, do not get eucalyptus. All right, let's prep the flowers. Flower breathing, 7th form. Flower slash. You don't want any of the leaves in the water because it's just gonna create bacteria and the flowers are gonna... And you see these bruised petals? It's just boop. Let's just open it up a little bit. You can also get these shredders and just be like, wapa! Wata! And then a boop and a boop. Here's a cheat code, fellas. Save one rose for yourself, and when it dies, that's how you know it's time to get her some new flowers. Same thing with the espresso beans. You just gotta get the leaves and wapa! Eucalyptus, these guys can go. Nice and simple. All right, flowers are prepped then. So fresh and so clean. You ready, boys? Flower power, motherfucker! All right, step 1. Greenery, rose, another rose. This guy is special, he's curved to the left. Well, instead of trying to force him to go straight, just find a nice home for him. He fits perfectly right there. All right, now filler, another filler. Side of eucalyptus. You wanna focus on balance, right? So I feel like this guy fits right here. You wanna focus on the top and the side of the bouquet. So rotate, see an empty space right here. Just put it right there. All right, so let's find a home for this guy. This could work, but I think right here is probably the best spot. Let's find a home for this guy. Right there is perfect. Let's balance it with some greenery. I think this guy looks best right here. We have another cricket one and it's totally okay. Just gotta find the right home for it. And I think he fits in right here. Perfect. And just boom, and then boom. Almost done. It's gonna give it a fresh cut. Don't cut too short, keep it long for now. When she puts it in the vase, she's gonna have to give it a fresh cut again. See the bottom of the stems? You want it to be white. Get a rubber band, you loop half, twist, and then you loop the other half. Paper bag. Get the bottom of the bag, open it, down the middle of the side of the bag. We got this big guy right here. Cut a quarter of the bag off. I'm gonna fold it so it looks like this. And then just gently place it on the paper. Fold again. It's gonna tie it up. Boom. 20 bucks, 20 minutes, and happy girlfriend. Last but not least, don't forget to smile.